Hi everyone, I am Sujan Bhuvidi. Here I have done my internship task at TSF Grip Spark Foundation. My project title is Basic Banking System. Here is the project problem statements. We have to create a simple dynamic web page and then connect the web page with the database MySQL, MongoDB, etc. And then here is the navigation flow of our website, and then no login page needed, and only transfer of money between multiple users should be implemented, and then host our websites at some free hosting providers, and then push our code in our GitHub. And then here is my project code. Here I have to explain my index.php. This is the home page code here, which has three sections: introduction section, activity session, and then footer sections. We have welcome message, and then here we have three functionalities: create user, transfer money, and transaction histories. And then here is the config.php. With this code we have to connect the database with our website. Here the local host, and then admin, and then database password, and then here is the database name. If the connection has some error, it shows the failed to connect MySQL, otherwise it connect the database with our websites. Here is the create user code. With this code we have to create a new user for our bank, and then select user details, and then navigation bar. Here is the navigation bar code, and then transaction history code. With this code we have to view entire transaction histories, and then with this file we have to transfer money between multiple users. And then here is the last .sql file. These are the queries implemented for this project. We have to create two tables, transaction and user. With this table we have to work with our websites. Then I am going to show my project demo. Here I have hosted my website at 000webhostapp.com. Here is my project link, website link, and here is the project demo. I am going to explain it. Here we have welcome to Bank of Sparks message, and then here is the home button. This is the home button, and then we have, if we want to create a user, here is we have to click a create user button, and then we have to enter our username and then email address, and here I have entered Gmail, and then balance I have entered amount, and then create user. Hooray, the user created. Okay, here which shows the transfer money. If you want to transfer money, we have to click transfer. I am going to send money for Priyanka. Here I will click transact button, and then transfer to from Priyanka. I am going to transfer the money to Arun. Enter the amount 2000, and then transfer. The transaction successful. Here is the transaction histories. The Priyanka sent 2000 rupees to Arun, and the date and time. Here is the home page. Using this navigation bar we can switch between these functionalities. Thank you.